Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Mirror in the bathroom, please walk free. The door is locked, just you and me. Right, here we go. Sorry, Lewis. Mirror. Mirror slide. That's a mirror slide. One more time. Mirror slide. That's what is on the internet for cleaning hair systems. Not a hair for all hair system, guys. The craftsmanship is unbelievable. The mirror slides will just rip it to shreds, okay? I'm hovering here, so I want to sit down because, sorry, my legs. Yes, it's my birthday. Do you like my nice birthday shirt? Thank you, Judy Gord, I love you. And thank you for using my razor. Cut myself this morning. Love you. Right, anyway, mirror slide. Please, hair for all clients, don't use it. It just crucifies the hair system. All I'm teaching you with the cotton wool and the C22 or the amber, and there's no such thing as a quick fix to do a hair system, especially a delicate one. The big and bulky and not very good hairlines, you can slide them down the mirror as much as you like, but not a hair for all hair system. I'm just going to do an experiment now, right? So hopefully this will work. So, mirrors are for vanity, not for sliding hair for all hair systems. Please don't do it. Alright, let's see if I can do this. Let me have a go at this, right. Bear with me a second. Hopefully I will be able to. What should we talk about while I'm doing this? Don't use a mirror. Oh, while I'm at it, isopropanol. Don't use isopropanol anywhere near a hair system, hair for all as well, please. Please. Don't use isopropanol. Even on our clear poly bases, right, the thin ones. It's like, you know, vodka. Not that I drink. Back in the day, if I had vodka 37% over a course of a few hours, I'd get a little bit tiddly. If I had Polish vodka, I'd be crucifying me inside. So isopropanol against lace release. Same family. Keep away from the 99% isopropanol, okay? Right, let's see if this works. Hopefully it will. The reason that I don't want you to do mirror slides, let me see if I can get this right so you can appreciate. That's, hopefully you can zoom in on that. That's a well-made hair system. We've got 12 different lace colours. That's lace colour 3, hence why it looks good on my hand, because that's the one I use. And I'm going to try and saturate this now, so you can see why you shouldn't slide this down a mirror when there's residue underneath. Please, please focus in on that, everybody, because that is just fantastic. So, cotton wool, C22, there's no such thing as easy street in life generally, but there's no such thing as easy street for a clean-up, unless you've got a big, bulky, horrible hair system, which I hope you don't, because hair systems are on show 24 hours a day, so surely it's best to have top end quality. Hopefully that's looking really good. And this is Troy, client of mine, and I borrowed his system, and now he's a YouTube debut for him. Right then, so on my birthday, we are not going to do mirror slides, are we? No, we're not. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a good one. Come on, we gotta go.